Picture this. You're in a third grade classroom with a pair of tweezers and an awesome piece of scat in front of you. Your goal is to tear that piece of scat apart and record what you find. You feel like a real scientist. Now let's contrast that with the class doing their assigned science reading and slouching their heads in their desks. Which do you think is more fun? This one or this one? I think tearing apart scat is much more fun. Whenever I ask someone a question about space or animals, they can't answer me. They don't even know the order of the planets, so I tell them to go study science. What if you couldn't go to college because you couldn't answer one single science question? How would you feel? I know how I would feel. I'd feel very embarrassed just because we couldn't go to college and answer one question. There's a lot to know about your body. See all this? That is how much you're going to need to know about your body. You can make new discoveries. You can tell the difference between two animals, like a mimic octopus and a regular octopus. How are you supposed to tell the difference? You can look inside their bodies. You can know about the world. There's a lot to know about the world that you don't know yet. You can know how the continents got formed and much more. We need science classes and laboratories in schools. In science classes, you might not do as much experiments, but that's fine. And in the laboratories, you'll do a whole bunch of experiments. You can find cures to many diseases, like cancer. Have you ever done science? Was it fun? I bet it was fun as long as you did a hands-on experiment. According to this website called Science Buddies, you can get over 100 careers. You can be a biologist. You can even be an astronaut. You can learn a lot from science. See these kids? See how much they're learning just by doing science? Science is also really fun. See these kids? They're also having so much fun learning science. Without science, we wouldn't have many things that we have today, like cars or light. Without cars, it would be really hard to travel. Without light, it would be really dark. See this? That is how dark it would be without science. We do have science in schools, but not the right type. We need hands-on science experiments because it is much more fun and interesting. Thank you.